everybody, my name is Peter Österholm. We are now standing in southeastern part of Söderfjärden, which you can see on this map here, this reddish part. And we are about 1.5 meters above current sea level. Here we have another map of this place. We have a test site here, which is part of a project called Katermas, climate change subfields. Rainer will tell more about these fields later at this station here. We have 3 farmers with us. Everybody who owns these are present here. We have Stefan Östman, that's the first field. We have Arne Lervik in the middle, and Tom Backlund to the right. Nybacks Gräv is the name of the company. He has some new techniques here to show you how to install plastic sheets.
Come to this soil pit, which represents a typical soil profile of the Söderfjärden area. Is this black monosulfidic materials that are the parent material of this soil. The textural distribution is so that it is 60% of silt and about 40% of clay. And the silt content is nearly homogeneous throughout the soil profile. Black color, it goes here up to 150 centimeters. And when you come down here, you will see that there are some cracks extending down to even into this black horizon, and gradually it is oxidized, and this next horizon you see is the brown one, which has a very coarse prismatic structure which has been formed by occasional oxidation and drying down to this depth. In this horizon you can even have half a meter long prisms that can be taken out, from about 80 centimeters down to 150 centimeters. That is at the moment the most acidic one. It has the pH of about 3.8. So at least at the bottom of this horizon, sulfidic materials are actively oxidizing and it breaks down into small aggregates, and all of the small aggregates, they are covered with iron oxide. And what is, I think, somewhat typical of this Söderfjärden soil is that we can see the yellow colors of jarosite starting immediately below the flow layer. So if you come down here, you will see at least here and there the jarositic colors, particularly in this part of the soil profile, they are quite pronounced.
We have 3 piles here of soil. This is the top soil, this is the middle soil, which Markus showed the aggregates, and that's the bottom soil. And this was dug in on Friday. You can see it's already quite grayish, the color there. But if you break up this soil, you will see monosulfides inside it. The oxidation has been about 1 millimeter in 4 days. So it's extremely reactive, this monosulfidic stuff that we have here in Finland. So you could, if you want, you can also look at these piles, and you will have more time also after the lunch.
I think that the soil is buried.
Här har vi en bit som grävdes upp för 4 dagar sedan. Vi kan se, vi har den svarta färgen här inne, det är den här originalfärgen. Och på 4 dagar så har det oxiderat flera millimeter in i det här. Det är väldigt reaktiv jord det här, som oxiderar snabbt. Och det är syre som oxiderar den. Här har jag gjort ett experiment. Jag har satt i veteperoxid som är en väldigt stark oxidant, det är starkare än syre. Det gäller att oxidera sånt här material och det är helt enkelt börja koka det här materialet, det är så reaktivt.